Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
turkey leg, broccoli, corn, potato, right? And the mix up sauce. That's what it's called. Mix up. First lady mix up sauce.
That's right.
All right.
So, before we dig in, I want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I know you like First Lady outfit today because I love it.
Alright guys, so we decided to bring Universal to us since we can't go to Universal.
Got him.
Even though it's open, we can't go right now.
Yeah.
So we have some turkey legs.
There you go. Explain it.
And then everything here, one of our family members requested it.
Yes. And big up to the lovely Doocy.
She's pregnant, and she's having these cravings of potato, broccoli, and corn.
Yes.
And she wanted us to eat that, and we have no problem, but I told her I have to add some meat.
Because of me.
I was going to put shrimps, but I saw these turkey legs, and I said, oh man, it reminds me of Universal.
So.
Are you ready to dig in, my love?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to start with a broccoli. I don't know why. I'm going to notice the sauce hot in my youth.
Yo, I know it's going to look like hot. We can't turn this out here.
Yeah, man, you can move it.
Damn.
Oh.
Hot?
Let's do a thumbnail.
Oh my gosh. I love the thumbnail. You know, see, you don't want to thumbnail that start before me. All right, come. Thumbnail. Give me one more, like a camera. I love the thumbnail, let me know. There we go. You see that? You see that, Steve, family? First lady, you know I gotta get them one of your thing real quick. Damn, heavy, you know? Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I don't need a hand over there, first lady. Look at that. 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 It's big. All right, first lady.
It's hot.
Hot one. You see the steam? All right. Sauce, turn up.
Turn up. Turn up.
Wow.
Perfect.
Why you want me to? Put something here?
Ooh.
I'll drip on me, yeah.
Drip my youth.
Alright. Got napkin on Jack. So you know, got the meals coming. So you know, there we go. I'll bring you.
No, the corn is juicy.
Hot one.
Okay.
Wow, I love it. Family. Nah, this is a hit. This is a banger.
I bit my lip.
Don't worry, take your time.
It's so good.
I'll help you eat it.
So, when we eat seafood,
Wow.
we eat. We don't really eat.
Get first lady more napkin. First lady, you need a bib? There you go.
We don't really eat seafood with a butter sauce.
Damn.
But we never used to.
Damn. Look at this.
But butter sauce is fattening. It's a lot of butter.
I don't know where to start. Family. How y'all doing? Take a bite with me. Come on now. Take a piece before I take it all. Go ahead. That's a little piece. Take a bigger piece. All right, there you go. Thank you. Hot man. No man. No one hot first lady. Lord, now family member, why you ain't tell me it was hot? Look at this. That jump. Wow. No, man. You have insurance? God damn it, tell me I got to your first lady. That shit hot, yo. Family, I did that to me. I even tell me it was hot. That joint hot, son.
I just got the oven.
God damn, B.
I was trying to tell them.
Look at this, family. And y'all took a bite and you ain't even tell me. Look at this. Look at that.
That
First day, that joint hot. Plus
I'm
the
gonna
sauce.
try to I'm gonna try to make a sauce with coconut oil. See how that tastes.
Wow.
Butter.
Let it bring. First lady. What am I lipping up? Damn, yo. Let's check. Yo, we don't feel. Gotta have that grease on it. First lady. This is good. Good choice. You think if I tell them I'm not a turkey person, they will believe me? You think so? I mean, I'm not a big turkey fan, but I love the turkey leg. Universal Studio?
Oh yeah.
Got us hooked. When we heard about this, we had to go, definitely. We took a little vacay to the kids. Just to try it. So if you ever been to Universal Studio, like I'm talking gibberish. Studios, or anywhere Universal, have to try the turkey leg. And if you did, comment down, let us know.
But Universal one, it's even bigger than this, if you can imagine.
It's bigger, right?
Bigger.
You remember we was walking and said, where did people getting these big turkey leg from? And we shop everywhere, you know?
All you need is one.
Yeah. Listen. That joint is hot as hell, son. That joint burnt my lip, B. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, honey, you took a big bite too, enough.
I'm having drop it. Hot man. It's just hot. Hot, right?
Hot like fire.
Wow. I'm gonna enjoy this. And this right here, just simple and easy. Good choice. No? I didn't even try the corn first, lady. Corn juicy? Like you?
Nice and juicy.
Like sugar. How did I take your time?
Sugar sweet.
You hot man.
Remember last time we had seafood boil and it was so hot. And one of the family members says, yeah, you guys know you can cool it, right?
For real. We are ready for it. Wow.
No stuff, family.
Family. You know, it's a big feast right here. If somebody hit you with this, they knock you out. No fair. It's good though.
It's really good.
Real smoked. You got the right one, baby. Uh-huh. Yeah.
One to you.
Turkey leg, nice. Nice, man.
Do the turkey leg.
It's turkey leg. Do the turkey leg. I'm doing the turkey leg. Can't bite the family. I gotta break it apart. I can't bite it because I'm gonna bite it. I'm gonna burn my tongue up.
Yes,
hot.
yes, it's hot.
Hey, you know I don't like my food so hot, girl. Yep, family. So let me know. If y'all get this when y'all go there. If y'all been there, you know what I'm saying? So let us know.
You have to get it.
You have to get it. If you didn't go here, you been there and you never tried it, try the turkey leg. Yeah. Beautiful
Sorry,
piece
guys.
of meat. Beautiful piece of meat, like
Good their
first
food.
Beautiful piece of food. That is scrumptious. You know, say you could have eat a piece of mine.
What? We could have had one leg.
We have one leg. No, what you have to have one leg, Harmony?
Honey,
One leg? Huh.
we could have ate one leg.
One leg gonna work for me.
Why?
Watch me done this. Family, if this thing tastes so good, oh my gosh. First lady, didn't one time Walmart sell this one time? And you bought it and bring it home? I said, why didn't you tell me you go Universal?
It's already cooked. This one.
Yeah, try your local Walmart. First lady brought home one time. I smelled that.
It was good.
It was good.
But this one, they didn't cook it. I had to put it in the oven. Even though it's already cooked,
I remember
I like to get it
get better.
nice and dark.
That's what I like it.
But the meat is still juicy inside, as you can see.
Good. Everything good see. Of course you can see. Okay. You can't manage that first lady?
Nope.
Whatever you want. You know what I like behind?
He wants splash in your face. I know you. Yeah. You would think because it's already cooked, and I put it in the oven.
First lady. When I cut you. Where do you start eating at?
I ate a lot of this turkey there. Fiesta.
Oh my god, really?
But it's still juicy.
I didn't know that. They see that. That's a big fact. Yes, we hearing y'all. We hearing y'all. We hearing y'all. We just eating. We hearing y'all. We are. You hear that, first lady?
But you said how much was it? Turkey leg was $5.
$5. $5.
It wasn't bad at all.
Exactly.
You know, you can take this and you can stew this down.
Yep.
Ooh, with some white rice.
Oh my god, don't do that. Don't say that. Don't even say that.
Or you can use the bone from the legs and put this in your red pea soup.
Yep. Take tips.
Always remember, one meal can turn into another one.
Yep. Always.
I gave you guys 2 meals with this.
Yep. Yep. Always.
Because you see how this bone is? Well, a regular person, this would be done. But for Richie, he's continue eating. But you see when you boil that, it's a red pea soup.
Yeah.
That's so much flavor and so much meat.
Yep. You letting you know. Jot that down. The first thing you said? Wow. My gosh. So what ride we going on next? Where do you want to go on?
After we eat?
Yeah. Where do you want to go on?
Men in
See?
Black.
Man in Black? Alright. We're going to go there. You know what I'm saying? Or Man in Black. Alright. We can do that.
Let's start ride.
What ride?
It went on that goes up in the air.
And it dropped? Oh my God.
I forgot.
When you open it and the floor just dropped? I don't know.
I forgot that ride.
I don't know what name, but that was scary as hell.
You gonna get me a funnel cake?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you a funnel
You
cake.
know that's my favorite.
The ice cream? Okay.
Yes.
Got you. I'm sorry. Okay. What I'm gonna
Why you always scaring me?
what I'm looking for now to do to win what? What kind of teddy bear? What game I look for?
Basketball.
Okay, thank you.
If you wanna find Richie, you find him in the basketball.
Yep.
In basketball games.
Yep. They rigged game. Them game is rigged.
Yeah. No matter
That's
what
still win.
park we go to, you find him at the basketball court. A basketball game.
But I win teddy bear, right?
It was,
What? Did I say anything?
yeah. I pick up a broccoli.
Your name of all like on them, me now watch you.
Yep, I did.
Your name of all like on them. Me watch you now while you're talking your name of the on them, you know?
I did.
I know you did. It's all good.
You say you don't like corn.
I like corn sometimes because I want it sweet. Family, she ate up all the corn. You think I wasn't watching her? I was watching her, but it's all good. She could have it because I be taking her food, so it's even now. We even.
My mother said you can eat with 2 hands in her.
Nah, them two and one that me have. No, it's only one hand I have. So, bad for one hand, right?
You're going bad too. Guys, let me explain something to you. I love corn.
She sure do.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
She sure does.
You done, honey?
I'm not done, I'm finished.
You finished or you done?
I'm finished.
You done or you finished?
I'm finished.
Oh, who said that?
What? You finished or you done? You finished or you done?
You finished or you done? Remember? That was everybody was saying that.
Everyone say that.
You guys remember?
Y'all remember that?
When Birdman
Say.
did the interview and he was like, "Are you finished or you done?"
Y'all finished or y'all done? I ain't got no more talking. Let's rock.
All right.
I mean, everybody was saying that.
Uh-huh.
Everybody.
That is a new thought.
Family, look at mine. Look at Richie's.
Family, look at this.
Look at mine. Look
She
at
didn't make
Richie's.
a dent in the turkey leg. Do the turkey leg. Do the turkey leg. Do the turkey leg. Turkey leg. Turkey leg. Drop, 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 drop. Come like I want ostrich, me just never know.
What?
Ostrich. Family, this was an ostrich. I just eat. Yeah, man. Turkey don't look, take your look at them, man. Ostrich, man. You know, ostrich, they must stand up look a long thing, man. That many, man. Ostrich. For your trick.
Honey, there's nothing left.
You made me.
I tricked you?
You want to give me ostrich, man. You.
It's still hot, family, inside. Okay.
One more piece of meat.
I'm sure enough now. I'm done.
You finished?
Yeah. I'm full, guys.
I want to get in the creepy part.
And the crevices.
Yeah. Can't believe you got me. Wow. Right there, seas.
Yeah.
Lord, no, come look at my birthday board. Alright. Look like I did it. Look good. Alright. A little bit, it's something like. Pastor Rich in the building right now. I know what y'all been waiting for. Wow. That was delicious. Okay. Family, listen up now. First, listen up to. Alright. Alright. Success is liking yourself. Liking what you do and liking how you do it. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do and how you do it.
That's good, honey.
Okay? We appreciate y'all. We share with y'all. First, you know, say, ostrich, give me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. That's Shanice. This is Richie, aka First Lady.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Remember, we are the Greedy Couple and you guys are the Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Bye.